Bow. His hands full. No, but we could put it down and pick up more stuff.
Bless you. I guess this is it.
Look, I got this. It is a nice one.
You
One
guys.
more day.
How much?
Survive, please. I can't. Where's yours?
Wait for it!
I guess we should probably get these, huh? I think you're in trouble here. And I don't know. I don't think we did much better than you did, huh? Moco-chan.
What about this side?
Little arcade. I don't know. Maybe it was just an accident. Maybe. What? What? Another huge bento to eat. You're just gonna organize it too. Gonna have some. You need to remember. This isn't the time for that. Science and art style are pretty simple, and there isn't much. That's rude, Moco-chan. How many times are you gonna tell me not to sneeze to get hot? I was reading. We're in the middle of the super
It's not
chat.
appropriate right now.